This is card number 1 set, this is card number 2 set, this is card number 3 set. See what you are drawn to. Whatever you feel you are drawn to, select that set of the card. Okay. Now let's see if you are drawn to card number 1. Let's see what is in store for card number 1. Okay. Okay. So this will tell you what is in store for you for 2022. Okay. The crystal for you is malachite, which is says about changes in life. So how to go? There might be changes coming up in your life in this year. So let's see what goes around for you in 2022. Okay. The mantra for you for this year 2022 is Saraswati mantra. Om Aing Saraswati Namahe Om. This is the mantra for you which will be of helpful in 2022. So what comes when it comes to abundance? What does this card says? It says obstacles are being lifted. So whatever hurdles and problems you have been facing in 2021, so those will be start getting clearer. Your work and effort which you have put in now with positive energy, it will start coming up. So ensure that you are keeping your ways open for this flow of abundance to continue. How will be the relationships for 2022? A wonderful card. Chemistry. Though going through all these changes, the love of attraction will be there. There will be a good chemistry and understanding to help each other to go through these changes. You will get all the support needed. Then what will be the overall purpose for you in this 2022? It's for animals. Like might be you have a strong communication with the animals, or you want to do something for them, or there is a pet for you whom you really love and care for it. So that will be the focus of your year. Could be something related to pets and animals, or you could even start relating work related that. So your purpose for this year will be something related to them. They might become as a signal also to use for some reasons in life. When you're looking over something, they might come as a signal to you. Now let's see what, as per for the health, what is being told for you. What is required to maintain good health? It's good sleep. So with all these changes happening, with all the activities happening, you have to take care of your sleep also. Have a proper sleep in the night. Ensure that you give time to sleep also. In spite of all the working till late hours due to these changes, you will be able to, if you focus on this, you will be able to handle the other activities during the day. Then what is the angel specific message for you for this 2022 is Ace of Emotions. So you could see this beautiful cherub. This cherub is trying to say you that the wonderful new emotional experiences coming up in your life. Like you will meet someone, the chemistry also which was saying. So this is something which might be you, there is a new change happening, a new relationship is coming up in place. It could be the marriage happening in this year, or a new child coming up, or a new learning experience, something which will greatly open up your heart and give you, it's more connecting to your heart, changes in your heart. Okay. So this is for whoever selected group number 1. These were for this 2022. Now let's come to group number 2. Whoever has selected group number 2, the crystal for you for this year is rose quartz. And let's see what's the mantra for you. It's the Lakshmi mantra. Om Shreem Breeze Namaha. You can see this is the Lakshmi mantra. It's a very good start for you for 2022. It's a number of Venus and bringing up Lakshmi. So it's a very good opportunity. So let's see what is stored in for abundance for you. Words of abundance. You have the ability to understand the abundance. You understand how you are going to arrange for your financials. You know everything. You will be able to more clearly communicate with people, and it will be more of working on financial part, on economic growth will affect your growth also. So you have to work towards it so that what you are doing, you will get that back. So ensure you put your full effort in your calculations and understanding in taking any step. So when it comes to relationship, it's a honeymoon relationship. So in spite of working around with work and calculations of money, give time to each other also. Take a break in between and spend time together so that in this work atmosphere we don't miss the connections with each other. I think this is the reason you have got this, to help keep the connection of relationships. So travel will also be there on the road for you in 2022. So what will be the main purpose for you in this? It's artist. So this is like you can take up some hobby, or you can make your hobby as your career, something artistic, creative work. So might be you will travel for creative work, you will make new relationships over there, you will spend time over there with nature. So this could also be the reason, or this could be also your career path which you will be thinking of. When it comes to health, let's see what it wants to say. When it comes to health, it is saying if you are not satisfied with it, might be you will have to change the physician also. So just you might have to give a thought. You will have to change your doctor or change your style of treatment. You will have to look up for other methods of treatment also. And then the last card, what the angel wants to say is celebration. So this is the year of celebrations. Whatever hard work, troubles you have gone through, this year will help you celebrate this year. So it's showing celebrate. Honeymoon card has come up. Getting appreciated for your work and the celebrations. So it's a wonderful year it will be for you. I think people are going through a lot of trauma in the 2021, which is giving a relief now in 2022. Though still there will be little ups and downs and hard works relating to money, but still there is lot of love and celebrations around to take up. So now coming to card number 3. So those who have selected card number 3, they have Labradorite. Sorry, not the Labradorite, it's Topaz. And this is lot of communication. So now in this communication, what is the card coming up for you? So the card coming up for you is Durga Mantra. Om Dum Durgaya Namaha. And what is the abundance related to card? Wow, it's raise and promotion. So it's a good card where you will there are chances of you getting promoted in or starting a new business, something which will give you a rise. So it is something which will, or if it's a career, if you're a student, then it will be like one step ahead in your career. So there is a one step ahead in your life. When it comes to relationships, it's friendship. So it's telling you wherever you need any help, you can ask. Your support will be there, your friends will be your good support. So take the help of friends, help them also in their needs. So it's helping each other and getting ahead. Moving in 2022 will be very nice with friends. And then what is the purpose for you? It's body work. Okay. So you will have to concentrate on your physical health also. It is telling you physically also you have to take care. Do exercises, do pranayam or yoga, whatever physical activity. Start one activity or just go for walking. But don't just sit on the computer and get your body tired. So you need to work on your exercise also. And so, or it even could be that you could, be a trainer in this field. So it could even identifies that. That will be your focus. Might be this year might be focusing more on health. So in this also, like, along with health is diet coming up. So it looks like your more focus will be on diet and health. You will be talking about diet and health. You will be working towards it. You will be guiding help. You will be guiding friends for it, or you will be taking friends' advice, or you will be guiding them. So it could be both way. And lastly, what is the angel messages for you? Manifest your dreams. This year, you are really ready to go ahead with your dreams. Angels are trying you. You have everything ready. You have to just take the step. First step towards it, maybe baby step also, but stay. Get your work started in this 2022, which you have already dreamt of, because you have friends support, you have diet, everything is in place coming up. So if you will take this all these steps, you will be able to make it. Thank you.